Lynde Shores Conservation Area, located in Whitby, Ontario, Canada, is a 272-hectare natural gem alongside Lake Ontario's northern shore. It was established in 1972 and managed by the Central Lake Ontario Conservation Authority, including the 40-hectare Cranberry West Tract. It encompasses Lynde Creek Marsh and Cranberry Marsh, both providing significant wetlands vital for wildlife. Renowned for bird watching, the area is a key stopover for migrating waterfowl and shorebirds and a nesting habitat for various species. It's 5 kilometers of looping trails, including the stroller and wheel-friendly Chickadee Trail, offering accessible exploration for families and nature enthusiasts. Visitors can hand-feed chickadees with sunflower seeds, spot deer, chipmunks, wild turkeys, and waterfowl, or enjoy scenic views from waterfowl viewing mounds. The waterfront trail allows leash dogs, while kayaking and canoeing are permitted in Lynde Marsh from July 15th to September 15th. A pay and display parking lot is at 623 Halls Road. Charges about $7 a day with an annual pass required for the Victoria Street entrance. The area's flat terrain formed on the ancient Lake Iroquois bed, featuring clay soils and a barrier beach. Part of the Durham Region Coastal Wetland Monitoring Project. It supports biodiversity and conservation efforts with over 7,000 trees that have been recently planted. Some note declining maintenance and limited parking. Lynde Shores remains a cherished destination for connecting with nature, offering serene trails and rich wildlife experiences. You're tuned into Vjay TV, broadcasting from Canada, seen worldwide.